Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add admin on Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook app. After opening Facebook, click on Menu from the bottom right corner. Then click on three dots from the top right corner. Open up your Facebook page. After opening the Facebook page, click on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on your page profile. Once you get into your profile, click on the View Tools option. Then from Tools, click on Page Access. You can see your Facebook access. Click on the Add New option, then tap on Next. Now search the account who should have Facebook access to this page. Tap to open this account and click to allow this person to also have full control. Then click to give access and enter your profile password and click on Confirm. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.